Welcome. In front of me is an HMD Fusion, and today I will show you how we can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, swipe down from the top of your screen like so to bring down your toggles. Swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. And on one of the pages you should find the hotspot toggle. Let's see if I can quickly find it. Or it looks like it actually might not be added by default. So in this case, we're going to click right here on this pen icon. I'm going to swipe down, and somewhere here that we have our hotspot. You want to grab this. Before I do so, I want to kind of point to this location right here where it says hold and drag to add a tile. Once I start holding it, you can see that the text changes, and now we can just drag it over that text, drop it, and when I go back, hotspot should be available to me on one of the pages, which you can see it's right over here now. Once you see it, when added, hold it again, and this will quickly take you to the settings. The reason you want to navigate in here is because under hotspot password, you'll have a randomly generated password. Without navigating here, you have no way of knowing what it is set to. I recommend getting rid of it, as it is pretty bad, as a randomly generated password is. And then once you get rid of it, you can set up your own new password, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length, and it can be letters or numbers or both. From there, click on OK, and that's really the only thing that I recommend changing. So from here we can close this. So repeat the steps to find our toggle, and this time around just simply press on it. It gives you a pop-up. First time around, you can select the checkbox right here, don't show again. This device is pretty cheap, so it uses the same antennas for hotspot or Wi-Fi, and it can only do one of those things at a time. So once I click on OK, it will disable Wi-Fi. Right? Come on. So apparently I can't use it because my SIM card is dead. But typically, once you do that, it will enable itself without this kind of pop-up like you see for me, and it will also turn off your Wi-Fi. Once you're done using the hotspot, find the toggle once more and simply tap on it, or you can just wait like the 10 minutes or whatever it's set to for it to automatically turn off, which you could see in the settings. There was this option. Once it turns it off automatically, or you do it yourself, your Wi-Fi will automatically become enabled again. So anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.